this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you wrap this wig. It has long, straight flip up style. The color is ash brown. This is how it looks. It doesn't have same length. It's naturally layered. And there are fine streaks in it. It's very nice. And it has soothing right here. It's layered naturally, so you can style easily with your finger or brush. Okay, let's start to take a look at details. Ta-da! Okay, let's take a look at inside. As you can see, there is a front lace line right here, so you can part any way you want. It looks like your own scalp. An adjustable band right here. And it has open breathable cap. It's very stretchable. And the fiber is very high quality. It is made of synthetic hair. It's very lightweight and texture is very soft. It's not that silky, it's not that rough. It's very lightweight. And at this point, I have something to tell you. This brand has 3 colors tags right here. Pink and green and sky blue. These tags are categorized by quality of hair. The pink tag is lowest grade. It has pure stretch cap. The means regular wig. And green tag has front lace line. This is the second one. And this is the most expensive one. It has monofilament in it. So these are good points to choose the wigs as you want. So this has front lace line. So it has green tag. Okay, thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.